In 1665, London was gripped by the Great Plague. People sneezed constantly, fearing it was a sign of impending death. But why do we sneeze? In ancient times, sneezing was seen as a divine omen. Fast forward to the 17th century, scientists began to understand that sneezing helps clear our noses by expelling irritants like dust or germs. During the plague, sneezing was a double-edged sword, spreading disease but also a natural defense. This understanding laid the groundwork for modern hygiene practices. Who knew a simple sneeze could hold such power? Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.